Coffee is a basic necessity throughout the year, but when it comes to the rainy season, I think a little extra is necessary. I have created my own version of flavored coffee using orange and basic spices into my French press. For this recipe, I need a coffee plunger. First, I add 3 tablespoons of ground coffee. Then we add cinnamon powder, a teaspoon of clove powder, and a pinch of nutmeg powder, and some orange zest. And the seeds from 1/4 of a vanilla pod. And now add the hot water, about 3/4 cups. I'm just going to give it a stir with chopsticks. Combine the ingredients. Now you can shut your plunger, but don't pull it down yet. Let it brew for about 7 to 10 minutes. So it's been 10 minutes and my coffee has been brewed to my preference. So I'm just going to push it down. So this is my version of flavored spiced coffee. I take it black, but you can easily add milk and sugar to it. Do give it a shot and leave your feedback in the comments section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to India Food Network. Cheers!